So I know that you watch HGTV and you look at all these magazines and you see all these awesome looking homes. Guess what? When buyers are looking for homes, they're also viewing all these HGTV shows and they think their house should be looking exactly the same way. So when you're selling your house, we need to get it looking exactly like an HGTV house, or at least close to it. Because when buyers are shopping for houses, you gotta imagine they're looking for, 5 houses, 10 houses every single week. And if your house isn't one of those top 5, you're gonna get forgotten about and your price is gonna just drop because you're just gonna keep sitting on the market. So what I would do is walk around your house and just try to, change the carpet, maybe paint the cabinets, redo some of the bathrooms. Try to do as little as possible to make the biggest return, because guess what? When you get your house looking like an HGTV house and your house, you walk in through like a pottery barn, that's what buyers are looking for, and that's when you're gonna break records and sell for more than any of your neighbors. And with Compass Concierge, that's something that I'm able to front all the money and give you all the cash to be able to get your house looking like an HGTV house, and you don't have to pay any fees or any interest. We could loan you all the money, and then I have a lot of connections as far as contractors to be able to point you in the right direction and give you the best looking bids to get your work done at the best possible price. And I'm able to coordinate all the scheduling, all the different appointments with all these contractors. Literally, I want to make this as easy as possible for when you are selling a house. And so I want you to focus on your goal, which might be upgrading into a bigger home. So start shopping for your bigger home, hand me your home, and let's sell your house.